Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Slack name in the Slack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Slack name. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack. Then click on your profile picture on the upper right hand corner. Then click on your name next to your profile picture and then go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see a section that says display name. So this is where you could actually go ahead and change your display name. So enter your new display name here and then click on enter, and then on the top right hand corner click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name in the Slack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.